Hey guys, Tonikami here. This is part 10 of the Java 2 main tutorial series. Print out all the numbers from 1 to 1000 using Java. You can write system.out.print 1000 times, but that will be a waste of time. In this tutorial, we'll discover loops, which can be used to execute an instruction several times. There are two types of loops I'll focus on, the for loop and the while loop. Let's start with the while loop. It is written like this. Everything within the curly braces will execute again and again and again while the condition and parenthesis result to true. We can use this to print our 1 to 1000. We first need a variable to hold the value we're currently printing. Call it current number and make the initial value 1 because our starting number is 1. Now the condition that needs to occur for the number to be printed is the current number has to be less than or equal to 1000. Print out the current number and then after add 1 to the current number. Let me explain that again. The system will continue to print the current number and add 1 to it as long as the current number is less than 1000. When it gets to 1001, it will stop looping. The second type of loop we'll examine is the for loop. It allows you to execute a set of instructions a specific amount of times, and you write it like this. In here, we define a variable that keeps a track of the amount of times it has looped. The instruction which needs to be executed several times is written in here. Let's use this to print out 1 to 1000 again. Inside the parenthesis, create the counter variable, call it I, and make the initial value 1. Now we need to specify the condition that must occur for this loop to keep running. Just like before, the condition is I is less than or equal to 1000. Now finally, we need to specify what happens after every loop. In this scenario, we want to add 1 to the counter variable. Finally, print the counter variable. Run the program and you should see that works. To summarize, this counter variable starts with the value 1, then the condition is checked since it returns true, the instruction will execute and the counter will be printed. 1 is added to the counter and the whole process is repeated until the condition results to false because the counter is greater than 1000. That's it for this tutorial guys, thanks for watching.